The legend of the Curse of the Pharaohs began when the tomb of Tutankhamun was opened in 1922 AD, and the first thing that caught their attention were inscriptions that said, "Death will strike with the wings of poison whoever disturbs the peace of the king." This is the phrase that was found inscribed on the tomb of Tutankhamun, the discovery of which was followed by a series of strange incidents that began with his death. Many workers conducted research in the cemetery, which baffled scientists and people, and made many believe in what was called the Curse of the Pharaohs. Among them were some archaeologists who participated in discovering the civilizations of the pharaohs, and that the priests of ancient Egypt had imposed their curse on anyone who tried to transfer these antiquities. From its place, where it was said that a strong sandstorm erupted around the tomb of Tutankhamun on the day it was opened, and a falcon was seen flying over the tomb. It is known that the falcon is one of the sacred symbols of the pharaohs. But there is a German scientist who opened the file of this phenomenon that occupied many people to explain to us with reason, medicine, and chemistry how 40 scientists and researchers died before it was too late. And the reason was that it is certain that this young king derived his great importance from the fact that his tomb was untouched by any of the thieves. It reached us after 33 centuries completely intact, and that this king was also the source of the pharaonic curse. All those who touched him were pursued by death, one after the other, which is recorded in the most amazing and strangest way. Mankind has not known any types of punishment. The clear thing is that these 40 died, but the mysterious thing is that they died for very trivial reasons and in incomprehensible circumstances that scientists could not explain. With a clear scientific explanation, the king's mummy was found inside a coffin of pure gold. Inside are 2 other wooden coffins covered with gold foil. They are all placed inside a granite coffin and preserved inside 3 interlocking wooden shrines, decorated with gold foil. The tomb was found piled with royal belongings out of order, and Carter was able to take pictures of wreaths of flowers that disintegrated as soon as he touched them in an attempt to move them outside the tomb. Carter continued to write down his notes about the tomb and describe the royal belongings there for a full decade, until he finished moving what was in the tomb. From belongings to the Egyptian Museum in Cairo,